So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to blur a part of the video in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is open up CapCut. On there you will see a layout similar to this one. Once you're logged in, click on create new. Through here you can see video, black canvas, 16 by 9 and so on. So you can choose one of these options for your video, whichever fits the best. From there you're going to be taken to an editor, and I just chose this video on here, so it's 12 seconds long, and on here you can see this mark, so you can see it changes and it's from beginning to end about 12 seconds. Now if I want to blur only a part of the video, so let's say I want after this point to be blurred, I can go ahead and go to the left hand side and find effect. So click on effect. Through here you can see and type out blur, so make sure you type it out in the video effects and click on the blur effect. So you can see it's a bit different now, so you can see this effect has been added. Now if I want to maybe put it at a different part of the video, you can see I can switch it and put it at the beginning. If I wish to make it most of the video, I can extend it, and that's about it. And after that you can see some of the options for this blurred, and you can see duplicate, cut, copy, and you can even download the selected clip or all content from selected clip. So it really gives you the option, and you can see the effect is right here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.